React or Vue.js? Both are powerful contenders in the front-end realm, but I prefer Vue.js for its simplicity and elegance. What about you? JavaScript or TypeScript? It's like choosing between speaking Latin or English, one's traditional, the other's modern and typed. I lean towards TypeScript for the extra safety net. What's your pick? Back-end or front-end? It's the eternal struggle between aesthetics and functionality. I'm a back-end enthusiast myself, can't resist the allure of server-side logic. Where do your coding loyalties lie? CSS Grid or Flexbox? It's like deciding between Legos and Duplo, both build layouts, but one's more intricate than the other. I'm Team Flexbox all the way. What's your layout building tool of choice? Express.js or Flask? Choosing between them is like picking between a brisk jog and a leisurely stroll, both get you where you need to go, but at different paces. I'm partial to Express.js for its flexibility. Angular or React Native? It's like comparing apples and oranges, both are fruits of the JavaScript ecosystem, but one's for web apps, the other for mobile. Mobile app or web app? It's the age-old debate of thumb scrolling versus mouse clicking. Personally, I find the mobile realm more exciting, there's something magical about seeing your app in people's pockets. REST API or GraphQL? It's like choosing between a fixed menu and a la carte, both serve data over HTTP, but one offers more flexibility and efficiency. I'm all about GraphQL's expressive power. Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS? It's the battle of convenience versus customization, one's a quick fix, the other's a tailor-made suit. I'm Team Bootstrap and you? Django or Ruby on Rails? It's like choosing between spaghetti and sushi, both are delicious, but one's Italian, the other's Japanese. I'm a Django fan for its batteries included philosophy. What's your flavor of web framework? SQL or NoSQL? It's the structured versus unstructured debate, both have their merits, but one's like a tidy bookshelf, the other's a free-for-all. I'm Team SQL for its reliability. What is your pick? PHP Storm or VS Code? It's like choosing between a cozy cabin and a bustling city, both have their charms, but one's a powerhouse for PHP development. I'm a PHP Storm. What's your coding sanctuary? Swift or Kotlin? It's the iOS versus Android showdown, both languages offer modern features and syntax, but one's for Apple aficionados, the other's for Google gangsters. What's your mobile platform of choice? PHP or Python? It's like choosing between spaghetti and lasagna, both are hearty meals, but one's for web development, the other's for general-purpose programming. I'm Team PHP most of the time. What's your coding cuisine? MongoDB or MySQL? It's the document versus relational showdown, one's like storing data in a filing cabinet, the other's like dumping it in a treasure chest. I'm Team MySQL being around longer. What's your database preference? Git or SVN? It's like choosing between a Lamborghini and a horse-drawn carriage, both get you from A to B, but one's significantly faster and more modern. I'm a Git enthusiast for its distributed nature. What's your version control vehicle? Debugging or testing? It's the firefighting versus fire prevention debate, one's fixing problems after they arise, the other's preventing them from happening in the first place. I'm all about testing for its proactive approach. Webpack or Gulp? It's like choosing between a Swiss Army knife and a multi-tool, both bundle assets, but one's more configurable and powerful. I'm Team Webpack for its extensive ecosystem. How about you? Single-page app or multi-page app? It's the single-page scrolling versus multi-page navigation debate, one sleek and modern, the other's familiar and traditional. I'm Team single-page most of the time and your preference? Heroku or DigitalOcean? It's the managed versus DIY hosting showdown, one's a platform as a service, the other's infrastructure as a service. What's your hosting platform of choice?